Hello and welcome to a video on how to build a Minimax 1030 airplane. I recently bought this airplane from Team Minimax. Just bought the kit. Here's the blueprints right here. And just got done setting up my workbench. They delivered most of the fuselage parts here below. I've been sorting on those for the past couple of days. Various types of plywood, thicknesses, lengths, and then over here I sorted out all the smaller sections. Everything kind of showed up in this box right here. And the guy that came with some there's some heavy duty tires there, and got the wheels, rudder cables, bunch of nuts and bolts, inner tubes, bolt guide. Anyway, I am just about ready to get started. There's some parts, some material was not suitable, so we got to get that replaced. Little parts right here. Got some grain runoff in it that's unacceptable. And you can see right here in this piece here how the grain starts here, and by just 3 or 4 inches away it's already to the other side. That part right there could break on you any second. We're not going to use that. And these smaller components here, they were different dimensions on either end, and also very bent, and it's kind of a stiff pine here, so I really don't want to be bending crooked wood straight. I got to bend some straight wood crooked, but I don't want to bend crooked wood straight. And then here's the rest of the wood in here. I don't remember that yellow spot. It looked like a mouse got in here and peed on my wood, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to get started setting up the workbench. And luckily I built the workbench, I believe it's right at 14 feet. And looks like the fuselage is 13, 11 and a half, so I got just enough workbench. This is an old part here, it's 6 foot long, and I added this 8 foot section. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do this evening. It's kind of late already. And I'm going to lay out, try to lay out for this fuselage structural members. And when we come back tomorrow, we'll start getting some wood ready. So hope to see you again. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in a little bit.